Hello, and welcome to this video on accessing the VBA interface from within Microsoft Excel. I'll be showing you two methods today, the first of which is the fastest, and as usual, that's the keyboard hotkey, which in this case is Alt F11 to bring up the window, and the same combination to make it go away. If you prefer a menu or graphically driven approach, and you do not presently see the developer menu in your ribbon, you can right-click anywhere up there, customize the ribbon, ensure that the main tabs is active in the dropdown, check the developer option, which then adds it to the ribbon and allows you to access the Visual Basic icon graphically to bring up the same window that we saw before. One item I'll note is that by default, this edit toolbar is not active, and I like to add it straight away by View, Toolbars, as it is quite handy for indenting or dedenting blocks of text, commenting, uncommenting, and that sort of thing. I hope you find this video helpful.